Hello everyone, welcome to my review of Finn McMissile, British Intelligence. Now Finn McMissile is a master British spy. Though charming and eloquent, it's his stealth manoeuvring, intelligence and years in the field that enable him to thwart unexpected attacks from bad guys, making quick daredevil escapes. Finn's design is sleek and timeless, but he's also prepared for any tricky situation with an arsenal of ultra-cool gadgets and weaponry, including front and rear grappling hooks, a missile launcher, deployable magnetic explosives, and a holographic disguise emitter. As a seasoned professional in the game of international espionage, Finn believes there was a conspiracy brewing during the World Grand Prix. Its clandestine work surrounding the global exhibition race puts him on a collision course with Meta, whom he mistakes for an undercover American agent with a genius disguise. Bum bum bum. Now Finn is, a mix of a mix of cars, including Volvo P1800. DB5, as well as a couple other cars. So let's have a look. So you can see you've got a little Clark Gable moustache, wing mirrors on his bonnet, or at least above his headlights. That's what you call it. And you cannot see it at all. There's an M on his badge. There's like logo, badge, you get the point. He's smiling. He looks determined. Turquoise eyes. Or a blue, or a green. I'm calling him turquoise. He's got chrome wheels. Looks like a vent right here. Whatever it is on the side. Very sleek. You can definitely see the P1800 here, can't you? At the back, 314 FMCM, 314, March 14th, which is Michael Caine's birthday. And FMCM, Finn McMissile. He is a very interesting car, and I like him. Do you like him?